Hello and thank you for choosing Wildfire. In this video, we're going to show you how to transfer money and make payments between your Wildfire accounts, loans, and shares in the Digital Plus online banking system. Once you're on your online banking account page, head to the Move Money drop-down at the top of the page and select the Make a Transfer link. On the Make a Transfer page, you'll be able to transfer money between your own shares and accounts to make loan payments. To start a transfer or payment, select the account you wish to transfer money from by selecting the From box, which will open a drop-down of all of your accounts. Then select an account or loan you want to send money to in the To box. After selecting the accounts to transfer money between, enter the amount to transfer in the Amount field. Next, select the frequency you would like this transfer to occur using the frequency and transfer date fields, whether it be just once or occurring automatically weekly, bi-weekly, monthly, quarterly, or annually. Once you have everything all set, click the blue Continue button at the bottom of the screen, taking you to the Review Payment screen. Here you can double check your transfer to make sure it's set to go as you would like it. If something is incorrect, click the Edit button to take you back to the Make a Transfer screen, where you can edit your transfer. Or, if you change your mind about the transfer, hit the Discard link at the bottom left of the page. If everything looks good, click the Submit button to complete your transfer or payment, and just like that, your transfer or payment will be submitted. And there you have it. If you have any other questions, please call us or stop by one of our branch locations and one of our friendly representatives will assist you. Thank you for watching.